us to take action. He has been one of the first focal voices against what's happening to Muslims in Burma, the Rohingya Muslims. He's been one of the first people to speak up for the Uyghurs in China, linking what's happening to them to what happens when societies don't speak up, and then you ultimately get genocide. And he has been one of the first people to recognize how the Patriot Act has turned many of us into second-class citizens. And when my sister Rashida and I have faced criticism for fighting for human rights and peace around the world and standing up for those that are oppressed and policies that are unjust in this country, Bernie has had our back.